CyberScout Password Reset is a service that helps individuals and organizations manage password-related issues. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process of using CyberScout Password Reset step by step. First, it is essential to understand what CyberScout is. CyberScout is a company that provides identity theft protection and data breach response services. The Password Reset service is an extension of these services, designed to help users recover their accounts in case they forget their passwords or if their accounts are compromised. To use CyberScout Password Reset, you need to have an account with CyberScout. If you do not have an account, you can sign up for one on their website. Once you have an account, you can initiate the password reset process by clicking on the Forgot Password link on the login page. The next step is to verify your identity. CyberScout will send a verification email or text message to the email address or phone number associated with your account. You need to click on the verification link or enter the verification code to confirm your identity. After verifying your identity, you will be prompted to create a new password. It is crucial to create a strong and unique password that is not used for any other account. A strong password should be at least 8 characters long and include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you have created a new password, you will be logged into your account. It is recommended to change your password regularly and use two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. Best practices for using CyberScout Password Reset include using a password manager to generate and store unique passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and monitoring your account activity regularly. It is also essential to be cautious of phishing emails and texts that may try to trick you into revealing your password or other sensitive information. In conclusion, CyberScout Password Reset is a valuable service that can help you recover your account in case you forget your password or if your account is compromised. By following the steps outlined in this guide and practicing good password hygiene, you can ensure the security of your account and protect your sensitive information.